how to download Android apps on iPhone. So first of all, we need to go to your browser or Safari, and we're gonna search for something called now.gg. Okay, and once we search for it, we're gonna enter the now.gg the website, and you will see right here multiple games that you can play in Android, but you can play mostly in iPhone or iOS. Okay, and you can scroll a little bit down and you can select the game that you want to play, for example, and you can play it in the browser right here with alongside all the games that mostly played on Android. Unfortunately, this site don't have a download button to download it in your iOS because iOS system is very strict, and you can't just download. It's not as open as Android. You can just play the games that you want to play on this site and just click on play in browser. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.